So I'm liking this video just here, but this wall of snow is very dominating. I'd like to scale up the video and try and push this off screen. So let's come down here and select the video. Up here in Effect Controls, I'll twirl open the Motion section, and we are looking for Scale just here. Now I can click inside of this field and type in a number, or you can just click and drag on the number itself to scale like so. Now that's looking pretty good just about there. And you also have values for position just here. So I'm going to click and drag on the X position just here, and then the Y position just here. And that's looking pretty great just out here. Now I'd like to show you a second way to visually make these same changes. But first, back here in Effect Controls, I'm going to click on these little arrows just here to reset, position, and scale. So I would now like to visually change the video, but when I click on it, nothing happens. The trick is double click on the video. As soon as you do that, handles show up, and you can easily scale the video down or up like so, and just drag it around to reposition it. You can see as I do those things, position and scale are changing out here. Also guys, if you're having problems getting to the edges of your video, you can change the magnification setting just down here. So if I drop that, say, down to 25, I can make my changes. When I'm happy with that, bring that back up. Once you're happy with your changes, just click in a blank part just here to deselect. I'd like to show you a second example I have down here. In this case, I have two overlapping videos. We have this laptop image just here, and on top of that, this calculated video just here. So I'm thinking I would like to do a little picture-in-picture. So I'm going to double-click on this calculating video, maybe shrink it down a little bit like so. Now I've got it roughly in position, but I've got a lot of extra video, top and bottom, that I would like to crop away. So let me quickly introduce you to the crop effect. So down here in my project panel, the little double arrows just here, I'll click on that to jump me into the effects panel. In the search field just here, I'll type in crop. Here's the crop effect just here. I'll drop that onto the video like so. Now back here in Effect Controls, let's close up Motion and have a look at this crop option just here. If you don't see these options, just click on this triangle just here. Now we have values for left, top, right, and bottom. I am going to crop the top and the bottom. Maybe double click on here, scale it down a little, shuffle it around. You get the idea. It's not perfect, guys, but now we have ourselves a little picture-in-picture video. Very nice. So I might wrap things up just there, guys. So that's scaling here inside of Premiere Pro with a little bit of repositioning and cropping for good measure. I hope that helps. Catch you later.